Morning, everyone. It's 8:15, and this is your pre-opening comment for Tuesday. We're getting it done a little early this morning because the two bits of economic news, manufacturing and services PMI out of IHS, don't come until 9:45. Okay, very disturbing shooting in Half Moon Bay. Um, this is just south of San Francisco. It's the northern end, I would say, of Silicon Valley, and not exactly a hotbed for discontent. So I guess it happens everywhere. Grayscale continuing their suit against the SEC for the allowance of conversion of GBTC and ETHE into ETFs. Both of those sell at massive discounts, and turning them into ETFs would probably close a big piece of that discount. Um, Another group of jackasses in Washington at the DOJ suing Google because of their dominance in ads. So, in other words, you start something, you get really good at it, and then the DOJ comes and slaps you across the head for doing well. Interesting. Okay, futures are down this morning, kind of mixed bag, but primarily due to earnings in Dow stocks. So we have Johnson and Johnson, which is down a buck. They beat on revenue, missed on earnings. Not great guidance. 167.31, just 0.6%. Verizon, another Dow, beat but gave poor guidance. 38.60 down $1.40 or 3.6%. 3M missed 117.75 down 560 or 4.5%. Travelers really not much of anything except the same complaint as Allstate had, catastrophic losses, which I repeat again, they'll write off and then they'll raise rates based on that. So, you know, there you go. Asia and Europe both slightly higher. Asia very thin. Most markets there are closed for Lunar New Year. That runs until in February, but really it's the first week that is the big deal. And Live Nation goes to Capitol Hill to try and um, rationalize to those at the Capitol why they should not have to be concerned about the way they do business. This is a stock that was in traditionally around the $60 area. When COVID hit, it moved down to 21. In the reopening in 2021, it moved back to 128, currently about 72. And these people just get away with murder. I mean, between the prices that they charge, the amount of fees, which for them is really a riskless business, and yet they can't seem to make it work. This is all about that Taylor Swift uh, concert and tour that nobody could buy tickets to. All right, everyone, chart on the screen is the silver. We're long it. We got long it about down here, 23.15, 23.20, right into that support that we have bought before. And we closed substantially higher than our entry point, and this morning it's up again. I'd really like to see it close above maybe this 24.05, 24.08, but this is exactly what it's done. I won't let it go below yesterday's low as far as our AGQ calls go, but it looks like the MACD is rolling to the upside, and this was pretty excessive considering that gold was actually unchanged to slightly higher yesterday. And a look at the rest of those futures. Grains down slightly, oil up 29 cents, net gas up about 30 cents. The gold is up $9.50, and the silver is up 23 cents. Copper down a half a penny. The softs are not really doing much of anything, down 48 cents in the cotton. Coffee up minorly. This sugar chart is really beginning to shape up kind of interesting. And the futures, again, Dow down 96. That's about the lowest level I've seen it this morning. And let's see where the S&P is down about 13, same situation. And the Nasdaq, I'm assuming, is lower, but it's not showing yet. Last reading we had, it went from down 48 to down 52, currently down 60. All right, everyone, have a good morning. Hope everyone enjoyed their action yesterday, especially in the silver.